Good morning. I am angry today. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm very angry. A lot of the stuff that I already talked about, Vlogmas Day 8, like, the problem's still there. And I'm low-key pissed. So yeah, thought I would put that little disclaimer out there. And yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot else to talk about because I already talked about it. It's just really frustrating. So today my sister asked me if I would make her 50 sugar cookies for the kids that she works with. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't know if I'm up for woohoo, like super crazy, so I might do a voiceover, and if not a voiceover, I might just play some relaxing Christmas lo-fi and just show you everything because I just don't really feel like talking today. So yeah, thanks for being understanding, and I hope that you enjoy the content regardless. I have no clue how I'm supposed to mix this because it's already impossible. Uh-oh.
No.
What do we do? It's broken.
No.
I'm gonna put gloves on and use my hands. What are the odds? My mixer! Taking hand mixer to a new level. Technique. Technique, 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 technique! Ah! No options around here. I think you're supposed to chill the dough. It's really sticky.
We're probably gonna have to do another batch.
I don't have it in me. They can share a cookie. You all get to decorate one half cookie. That's it.